Alright, you guys. Yeah. I have to take the monitor off. Hey. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this monitor mount. Now, I think that this is probably one of the coolest design monitor mounts out there. I never tried a monitor mount like this. This one I think goes up to 27 inches. I have a 27-inch monitor. I believe it's 27 inch. I will have to check up on Best Buy. Right here, it's like gas spring, a very hard spring to it. And on here it says caution hand pinching. So do not put your hand on the bottom if you close this, okay? So it is feel like it's gas or hydraulic released, but it is very durable. You have your clamp right here. For what I see, they have different heights. So I believe if you have a thicker ledge, you will have more opening if you're further down. If you have a thinner ledge, then you have a closer opening. And the instructions is a little bit hard to read, you guys, so we are going to go over it together. So as it says, A1.1, it says clamp installation, A1.2, all right, A1.3. So it's not really telling you how to do it, but if you know how to put clamps together, then you know this goes like this, so that way it could, your cabinet or your desk or whatever could be in between, and then you twist this to clamp it. Now what I'm going to do is a quick little test on my review table here, and then I'm going to put it on the desk. Our review table here is a little bit thicker than where I'm going to locate it at over there, so I will do over here first so y'all can get a better look. As you can see, it's covered right there, so which means I don't have that many options. So I have to put it on the second ledge. Now what I'm going to do is twist. And this is the only way this part is loose. There's no way to screw this on to this piece for it to stay. So just be careful, and you gotta hold this like flat, not flat, but this is very wobbly, the bottom part. So you will have to hold it like straight, parallel with the cabinet. Keep twisting until you get a tight, very tight. Now that's very tight. Okay, and it's very tight. I didn't even check to see if there was a pad on this. I believe there's a pad on here, so that way your table won't get damaged. So we just went over A, which was the installation. All right, so you can actually install this by putting it inside of a hole. So you know how my desk also have it over here, but you know how your desk may have a hole where you put all your cable cords and all that stuff? You can actually install this through that hole. So I will take a photo, post it right there, and then you will know how to install it through the hole. So let's hold off on A2. Let's go on to B. B is installing the monitor. Okay. Now, once again, I did the unboxing and I took all the screws out. Now, depending on your monitor style, if you have a style where you may need spacers, all right, so they gave you a thick spacer, skinny spacer. Skinny screws, long screws. Depending on your application. The way I do it, I usually just install the plate right onto the TV or monitor. So blah blah blah, let me go ahead, get my monitor, bring it over. All right, you guys, so we are here with my Samsung monitor. Now we are on letter B. Now we need our piece right here. All right, and the way they got it here, that's the top of the TV. All right, so this part right here gotta be facing to the top of the TV. On here, you can use your spacers. Just keep in mind when you're using the spacers, you may need to use the longer screws. The way I'm installing this, it seems like they have a little bottom part right there, and then it seems like the top part is more round. I'm assuming. It's not really telling you here, but that's how we're gonna roll with that. Now, that's if you want to install the spacer between your metal platform here and your TV. Maybe you don't want it to be on your TV too much. Now me, I'm a little paranoid with long screws in the TV. I'm gonna be honest, I never really used it. This one maybe it's already tight for me, so I kind of don't like that. So with that being said, I won't be using spacers. The way I do my stuff and I hang my monitors and stuff, I hang it directly on there, and I use smaller screws because I feel safe on not damaging my monitor, because my monitor is not cheap. Well, nobody's monitor is cheap. I mean, stuff is cheap nowadays, but I don't know. I just don't have an extra couple $100 to throw away if I break my monitor. They do give you a little flathead, not flathead, but they do give you a fill up right here. All right. And they also gave you a small hex. And on the fill up, you have another hex part right here. So we may need everything on this. But now it says unscrew the position screw. Tongue twister. So now we're gonna slide it on. It has those two lips right there. You see that? One on the left, one on the right. And try to match it up. And it slides right on. A little nervous, you guys. Oh, okay. All right. Woo. Okay, let me breathe real quick, you guys. Let's go ahead and secure this bad boy. Please, TV, don't drop. Ooh, nervous. Come on. I'm screwing all the way down, you guys. All the way. I'm nervous right now. Sweating. One thing I am going to tell y'all, go ahead and get yourself your screwdriver, because if you use this, it's kind of going to interfere with your monitor right there. So you better off just getting your own screwdriver. And you guys, that's the end of the installation. That is like the easiest thing. Anybody can do this, you guys. And the monitor is up. To do your adjustments, oh sorry, gotta bring y'all back. So if you want to do your adjustments, it tilts. All right, so the other end of your screwdriver, remember that hex we was looking at before? All right, you have a part right here. Now let me hold my TV because I don't want nothing to happen. Or monitor, whatever. Just turn left, lefty loosey, right? And there you go. Now y'all know I am holding it like crazy, and this is insane. Somebody TV really don't need to tilt that far, and the whole thing is leaning down. So that's how you tilt it. Oh, and it's turning very well, easily. It turns. It has a nice, easy turn to it. Now I'm going to put this back tight again. All right, now if you're facing that issue where it keeps going down, to tighten that part is right here. There is a screw right here, right under here. It's almost like it's an arrow, but that's the caution sign. So the same one with the screwdriver is the same one for both of these. So that's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Now, if I loosen it, it will come down. I'm pretty sure of that. So let's see. All right, yeah, it's getting loose. Now you can make your adjustment on how low you want it or how high you want it. All right, you guys, I'm not finished yet. I am going to hook it up over there where my desk is, so y'all can actually see what it looks like with the desk. So let me see. All right, you guys. I have to take the monitor off. Hey. Have you ever heard that term? Don't work harder, work smarter. Well, I should have applied that during this review. Now, I am going to just put this on regular, how we was just doing, and that way I'm not stressing or killing myself. I put it on. I have it on the very top part. Sorry, you guys, I got OCD. All right, you guys, my OCD kicked in. I just want to see if I'm in the middle, and I need to come over to the right just a tad bit. My OCD is satisfied. All right, you guys, it's time to put the monitor on. Slide it in. I don't know why this thing got me so nervous right now. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Because my laptop and my mic is right there. So I need a minute. Alright you guys, so let me tilt this back up so I can have some sense of security or whatever they call it. Alright, so let me see what's going on. Okay, now I feel better. That's tight, so it shouldn't go up or down no more, unless I probably do it by force, but other than that, that is awesome. I can rotate this to anywhere I want. 360 degrees. I'm a little nervous when it's like that, but I'm just showing y'all that this thing turns. Alright, what else about this thing? Because you guys, like, I don't think y'all see it, but I am sweating, you guys. Like, I am sweating. This thing got me nervous, man. I need a good old fan. I am sweating like crazy right now. Y'all see I'm on the first one since the wood is not as thick as my countertop wood that I was just on. And that's about it, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about this mount, please put it in the comment section. But this is definitely a difference than what I had my studless mount. You can see the holes right there. Don't know if you can see it too well, but there goes the holes. I'll patch it up later or put a picture up there. That's an easy way to cover holes, but there you go. It's tilted, but it's easy to tilt sideways. And yes, if you have the monitor where you want to go up and down long ways, well, I can't do it with this, but you can go up and down. So if you had a smaller monitor, you can go vertical. That's it. That's the word. Vertical. Or up and down. However you want to say it. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I will get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay you guys, so right now I want to plug this part in because I want y'all to see the wire management. So right there, I don't know if y'all saw, but on the bottom of this plastic piece that came with this unit, you have to squeeze. So right now I'm gonna squeeze in the bottom first to connect the bottom, and then I will hit to the top and put the screw in right there, as you can see. And then after that, you will have to grab your wire from the bottom after you screw it in, of course. So screw, and now we hit it to the back part, and this is where you have to loop it onto the Velcro or inside of the Velcro, and that's the end of. Alright you guys, and that will be it with the review now. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please send a comment. If you're having troubles, I'll try to do another video trying to explain a little bit better, but other than that, that will be all, and catch y'all on the next review.